Okay, LML thermostat replacement. So far, I have not had to remove the AC. I removed the alternator. I didn't have to, but I did because I dropped a bolt and it went all the way down into the valley down there. But you can do this. Let's see, I bent that a little bit. Oof, I didn't like that. Let's see, you move it, you unbolt this dongle from there. Get him out of the way. There's another sensor thing or something's wired in here. You move that one back and you can get to all four of the bolts. Let's see. Let me get some light. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty much they all come out. You can just kind of wiggle this hose out. You don't need to pull the AC. Flop it over. You don't need to remove the alternator unless you drop a bolt. I should have taken this video when I had the thing apart, but whatever. You get the idea. It's those 4 bolts. You can unbolt it from this. Where is it? There she is. Unbolt it from there. There is a little tit that sticks into this thing. Right there. That's just a tit. That's got it. See how that comes out? Holds this fan shroud. Oh, this tensioner's pushing on her. There she popped back in. Anywho. Yeah, you don't have to remove any of this stuff. Just those 4 bolts. Unplug all the sensors. Move that thing out of the way. Move the other little sensor thing out of the way. Tuck it back. Take those 4 bolts out. And your thermostats will come right out. The old ones in here. Then yes, you do have to make sure those 2 dots are to the back of the engine. This is the front. This is the back. Gives you a little diagram when you buy the thermostats, how to install them. You see those things to the back. Anyways, yeah, you can do this without removing a bunch of crap. It's really just those 4 bolts, and like I said, I removed the alternator because I dropped a bolt into the valley. But I already have it, so we'll see how this works out.